Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to see working with tables, right? Chapter 7. So how you can create the table in Word document. So let's start. So before that I want to say that even if you want to know about mobile, right? In the mobile how you can do it, then you can go to my channel, right? In that I've explained about it कि हाँ कैसे आप मोबाइल में एक टेबल बना सकते हो and if you want to see that thing, then yes, it is very useful for you all. Okay, let's start. So first of all, yes, insert. In that we have table group. हमारे पास table group है. In that there are many different methods that we can use it to create the table. Okay, first of all, the method is of grid. So here you can see this is vertically it is known as column and horizontally ये row होता है. And the intersection of the row and column is called a cell. Okay, so here we will make it with the help of grid. I will just show you कि मैंने यहाँ क्या किया है. I have taken 4 columns and now I'm going for the rows. So 4 rows over here. Okay, तो मैंने 4 column और 4 rows ले लिए. Okay, and with that you can see the intersection of it is known as the cell. Okay, now the next way, that is the second method. Okay, in that second method we have over here insert table, right? So आप insert table पर click करोगे, so your dialog box will come over here in which you have to select it. आपको select करना है that how many columns and how many rows you wanted. Okay, I wanted over here 3 columns and here I want 3 rows. तो मैं यहाँ 3 लिख दिया मैंने, right? So here you can see 3 columns and 3 rows. With that, fixed column width. Your fixed column width means what? That कि हाँ वो width उसकी fix हो गई है. Okay. Now I will just click on OK. So here you can see it. Now the next way that we are going to see, I will just press Ctrl Z so you will come back. Now the third method, that is to draw the table. अगर आपको खुद से table बनाना है, right? You want to decide by yourself, then you can do it with the help of the draw table. आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा that I'm just going by this way, and yes, I can decide the rows also by myself. उसकी width, उसकी height, right? So row height, column width, that I can decide by myself. Okay, so you can go for the draw table. Okay, then again if you will click on the draw table तो वो remove हो जाएगा, otherwise the cursor will turn to a draw table. देखो यहाँ pencil की तरह वो हो जाएगा. Okay, now the next thing that the next method which we are going to see, that is of insert. In that you have the option of Excel spreadsheet. आपके पास option है of Excel spreadsheet. तो यहाँ क्या होगा, the spreadsheet will come over here and in that you will enter all the things, all the records over there, right? You can see like the same Excel sheet, you will see it over here. Now you have to decide it. आपको decide करना है कि आपको कितने columns, कितने rows, तो उसके हिसाब से आपको ये means you have to crop it that thing या selection करना है. Okay, now here I am just writing. मैं आपके सामने सिर्फ लिख रही हूँ and I can show you over here. Okay, now I will click outside. जैसे ही मैंने click किया, you can see it over here that the table is formed, right? With the help of Excel. If you are used to Excel, अगर आपको Excel आता है अच्छे से और Word नहीं आता है, then you can do that thing also. Okay. Now the next thing, that is the next option, that is quick tables. आपके सामने quick tables है with the style, with the formatting. So you can select that also. And the third, the last method, that is by the tab, right? तो जैसे मैंने यहाँ name लिखा, then I press the tab, then I'm going with the standard, I'm again pressing the tab and I'm giving division over here. Okay, अब मैं उसे क्या करूँगी, I will select it. Okay, and then I can convert the text to the table. Here by default, like you know that one row is there, तो यहाँ one row आ गया and 3 columns because I have gone with the 3 tab. मैंने यहाँ 3 tab use किए. देखो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है separate the text at tabs. Okay, so yes, it is done. So अगर आपको टेबल बनाना नहीं आता है, then you can use the tab key and you can write it and afterwards you can convert into a table. आप उसके बाद उसे convert कर सकते हैं. Okay, now the next thing, that is how to do the formatting of it, right? तो यहाँ पहले जैसे ही आप टेबल बनाओगे, when you are making the table, you will see 2 tabs, that is design and layout. Okay, design and layout. In design you have different styles, आपके सामने different styles open हो जाएंगे, so that you can select it on your own. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है then you can go with the formatting over there. Even you can give the shading, अगर आपको shading देना है then you can give the colors over there. Okay, so in the cells the colors will come over there. Now for the borders, आपको क्या करना है, means you have to select the table and afterwards you will go with the help of the borders. तो यहाँ borders में आप जा सकते हो, you can select any of the borders, all border, no border. If you don't want the borders, yes you can go with no borders. या फिर outside borders, सिर्फ आपको बाहर से ही चाहिए outside borders, that you can do. You can go to border and shading, right? आप border and shading में जाकर आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can go with the help of box or all, right? देखो मैंने all किया हुआ है, अब मैं box method में दिखा रही हूँ. So what I can do, I can select it. देखो यहाँ से मैंने remove कर दिया. You can see from the bottom I have removed. Okay, then from the right side I have removed. Okay, so this way you can remove or you can even add it. Okay, आपको add करना है, आप add भी कर सकते हो. Middle one you want to add it, so middle one you can see now all borders are there. Okay, now the style, आपको कौन सा style चाहिए, right? Which style you wanted, that style also you can decide it by yourself. Okay, and you can also give the width, यानी उसकी thickness. Okay, the thickness also you can decide कि आपको कितनी thickness चाहिए. I want only 1.5. Even the color, if you want to decide about the colors, yes you can go with the colors. आपको colors के लिए भी कोई problem नहीं है. You can select the colors and click on OK. Here you can see now the colorful table. Okay, here there are different option also. यहाँ आपके सामने दूसरे अलग अलग options हैं, but I prefer that directly you go to the border and shading and you can do it. आप अपने आप से कर सकते हो. Now there is about the layout. Okay, so in layout the main things are insert row, column and cells. Okay, so here जैसे मैंने ये select किया, now I can go for insert left or right. You please understand कि आपको क्या देखना है, अपना left और अपना right, not according to the screen. Okay, जो screen सामने है उसके according नहीं, हमारे जो facing है उसके according हमें देखना है. So yes, right hand आपका जो है from there right. Okay, then if I want to go, I have pressed it Control Z left, so it will go by left. Okay, then the same way for the rows, तो आपको row को select करना है, या even you can keep the cursor, right? You can keep the cursor in that row and then you can decide कि insert above. Okay, तो above आ गया, below means down. Okay, I've just kept the cursor. You can see selection की भी जरूरत नहीं है, you have to just keep the cursor over there. Okay, now the next thing, that is to insert the cells. Okay, so now I want to insert the cell. So again I will go over here and here we will go with the option right click, in that insert and insert cells. तो उसमें आपके पास option आता है, that is shift cells right. So I will just do it on the right hand side. तो यहाँ क्या हो गया, cell insert हो गया, but this one is moved. Okay, so it is moving. Now Control Z I am doing. Now for the another one, that is insert cells, in that move to down. So here you can see that the row will come over here और उसमें क्या होगा, column, right? Column में एक cell insert हो जाएगा. Okay, please remember this thing. तो मैं यहाँ फिर बाद में delete करना चाहती हूँ, right? I will just press it Control. Okay, so now we will go with the another option, that is there is also given over there that insert in that cells. आपको यहाँ दिया हुआ ही है कि entire row and entire column. So you can understand कि हाँ वहाँ पूरा एक row आ जाएगा या पूरा एक column आ जाएगा. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, now the next one is to delete. Okay, तो delete करना है. So what will be the options? Here again what we can do, you can select the column or you can just keep the cursor over there. You have the delete, in that delete the column, so it will be deleted. Okay, now delete the row. So I have kept the cursor at the heading, so that is deleted. Okay, the row is deleted. If I want to delete the cells, so here the option will be opposite. Insert में जो options थे कि हाँ right and down, उसकी जगह आपको क्या मिलेगा, shift the cells left and up. or delete the entire row or entire column. तो you can see that left यानी ये move हो गया. If I'm going with again delete cells, shift the cells up, so what it will do here, it will come up. Okay. Now the next one is to split the cells. अगर आपको एक ही column में means when we are preparing MCQs, just I am giving one example कि मैं अगर MCQs बनाती हूँ तो उसमें मुझे 3 ऑप्शन देने हैं, right? So I have just merged the cells. मैंने यहाँ combine में cell लिया था. अब क्या हुआ, यहाँ भी combine में. Please remember merge cells means to combine. Again I am showing how you will combine it. तो आपको ये select करना है, right? And then you will click on merge, so it will combine all the cells into one. फिर आप tab की प्रेस करके भी आप जा सकते हो next cell के लिए, और you can also go by the cursor control keys, that is up, down and that all. पर tab की आपको new row के लिए भी आपको मिल जाएगा at the last, right? At the last आप जो भी cell पर आकर रुकते हो and you want to insert a row, right? At the last तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can press the tab key. Now here we will go with the split cells, और मुझे यहाँ चाहिए कि I will give it 4 options. Okay, and row is decided. एक ही row में 4 options. अगर आपका ऐसा होता है कि यह content is very means big, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can go with the 2 rows and 2 options. यानी क्या हो जाएगा, by that it will turn to this way. Okay, so यहाँ 1 2 3 4 options, or you can say A B C D, like that you can select the options. Okay, so this is about it. Now after that we have split table. तो split table यानी क्या कि आपको split करना है, right? So when you will click on split, तो क्या होगा, यहाँ से जहां मैंने कर्सर रखा है वहां से वो क्या करेगा, वो split कर देगा वो टेबल को. And if you want to join it again, you will press the delete key. जहां आपका कर्सर है, you can see I'll press delete, so it will again be combined over there, merged over there. Okay. Then yes, we have auto fit to window, auto fit to content. तो आप राइट क्लिक में भी आपको ऑप्शन मिल जाता है ऑटो फिट, राइट? ऑटो फिट टू विंडो मीन्स इट विल कवर द होल एरिया ऑफ द विंडो, मीन्स जो मार्जिन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग. बट इफ आई एम गोइंग बाय ऑटो फिट टू कंटेंट, तो कंटेंट के अकॉर्डिंग वो टेबल स्क्वीज हो जाएगा, और या तो बढ़ जाएगा या कम होगा. ओके, देन वी हैव द अलाइनमेंट्स. देयर आर 9 अलाइनमेंट्स फॉर दैट. ओके, यहाँ मैं रो हाइट कॉलम विथ दे सकती हूँ. आई विल जस्ट गिव इट द हाइट. ओके, मैं हाइट दे रही हूँ. column width we are already having more. Okay, so you can also decrease the column width, आपको अगर decrease करना है. Now I will show it the alignments. You can see here ये center में आ गया. This is top. Okay, now top, left, left, center and right. Now this is center, right, यानी middle. आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा center left, center middle and center right. Then we have it bottom left, bottom center and bottom right. Even you can change the direction. आपको direction change करना है. Yes, you can change the direction of the text also. तो आपको text direction change करने में भी easy है. Okay, then yes, the next thing that is about कि हाँ भाई आप लोगों को यहाँ फिर से अगर रो हाइट कम करना है, yes, you can go with this option. Okay, and I prefer mainly this one कि हाँ भाई center में हो, right, from middle center. Okay, so you can do this thing, you can create your own table, you can do the editing, and if you want to see related to mobile, then you can go for my channel. Again and again I am saying I button पे भी आप click करोगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा कि how to create a table, how to do the editing of the table in your mobile phones with the help of Microsoft Office. Okay, here one more thing I want to add it कि यहाँ अगर आपको copy बनानी है table की, then what you can do, you can click on copy and then you can keep the cursor outside and you can paste it. So right click करके आप paste कर सकते हो. You have the option of paste. Okay, then we also have the option from here. मैंने आपको last formatting वाले editing वाले में बताया हुआ है कि cut copy paste, so you can use that thing. Moving the table is cut and paste. Even I have shown you the control key use कि हाँ आपको shift अगर सिर्फ move करना है, then you can just keep the cursor and you can move it. आप move कर सकते हो ऐसे, right? तो आपका table move हो जाएगा. Okay, and if you want to make a copy, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? You will select the table from here and you will press the control key and it will make a copy over here. Okay. So thank you and please like, share and subscribe my channel. I've seen that many of the people are supporting me. वो लोग बहुत सारे views आते हैं मुझे, comments आते हैं, but subscribe भी कर दीजिए, so that will be appreciation. Thank you.